guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I make videos to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And today we are gonna do a Eid specific makeup tutorial. So I did this very simple, easy look today, and we have used very minimal products and we came out with this look right here. And this is a very simple look and I hope you guys will love it too. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you how to get this makeup look, and if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we'll start with the skincare first, and the first product I'm going to use is the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance. This is basically a night serum, but I really like to apply it before my makeup. It just gives a very nice glow. So whenever I have a big event or if I have anything special, I always apply oil before putting on my makeup. The next step is to moisturize. So I'm gonna be using the Lakme Absolute Ultra High Pro Gel Cream. As you guys can see, I've used almost the full tub. It's such a nice gel cream. I totally enjoy applying it. It's such a nice light gel cream, perfect for summers. Next guys, do not forget your sunscreens. I'm going to be using the Bioderma Photoderm. This is SPF 50. It has a very nice matte finish to it. Especially in summer, sunscreen though is a must. You should not skip on sunscreens no matter what. We'll also prep our face. For that I'm going to use Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I have recently discovered this, and if you've seen my Nykaa haul, you know I just got it. It's such a nice lip balm, lip mask, whatever you want to call it. It's such a good one. It's totally worth the hype. Okay guys, so my skincare is done and now we'll move on to the makeup. And for that, the first thing I'm going to use is a primer. So I'm going to be using the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. This is a very nice silicone texture. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes because this is the major area where I have pores. Okay guys, so now we'll move on to the foundation, as it's a function appropriate look, so we want something full coverage. So I'm going to be using the Lakme 24-hour Superstay foundation. I have a full review on this foundation, you can check that out. I'm gonna pump it on the back of my hand. 2 pumps are enough for a very nice full coverage. I'm going to use my new beauty blender. This is from Bronson. I recently got it. Just apply the foundation all over your face, then we will blend it with the beauty blender. I feel this beauty blender has done a nice job. Let me zoom you in to show you my actual skin texture right now. It's very nice. This has left no patches at all. My skin looks amazing. It's all about the skincare guys, do not forget that. Now we will go with the concealer, and today I'm going to use a brightening concealer, which is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I'm in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and a little bit here. Basically all the basic points you need to apply your concealer in. I'm going to use the tip of my beauty blender to blend my concealer. I will also take the rest of the concealer over my eye. Once I'm done blending my base, the next thing which I'm going to do is set it before it just makes any creases. So that I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Contour Duo. So this is the contouring palette in the shade Douche Deluge. I don't know how to spell it. This is a very nice contour shade. We'll be using this, but for now we are going to use this powder. So I'm going to take my basic powder brush. This has a lot of fallout. Slightly dabbing motions to just pat the powder in. As it's summer and we have to wear masks all the time, so I'm going to powder my full face using the same powder. Now my base is all done. We'll quickly do the contour. For the contour, I'm going to use the same contour right here, and I'm going to take it on a brush. This is a nice dense brush. This contour is super pigmented. As you can see, it just is really nice. I've done the contour a little upper than usual. As you can see, my face is now like this and it's all chiseled up, and I really like that. So we have done that today. We will also be contouring our nose. For that, I'm going to take a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to just take it make sure to blend your nose contour very well because we really don't want anybody to see. सबको सब्जी बेचने अभी आना है. Just make sure you blend your nose contour really nicely because we really don't want any harsh lines here. My base is looking really good. I think the blender has done quite a great job. For eyes, we are going to do something super basic today so that all of you can easily recreate it. So I'm gonna use the Nicka K Poison Apple eyeshadow palette. One of the glitters is broken and I'm very sad about it. So I'm gonna take a nice angled fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this very light shade right here and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. Like this, so super light shade. It will just give a nice transition. Next up, we'll be using our fingers and we'll take this very pretty golden shade right here. I think these shades like the golden and a basic transition is available in almost all the palettes you own. And this is how the glitter looks like. It's so pigmented. I'm just going to apply it starting from my inner corner till the end, not really till the end, till the middle. Can we see that? It's so pigmented. The glitter looks so good. It definitely has a little bit of fallout, but we have already powdered our face so it won't stay, so we'll just remove it later. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go. I know there are a lot of blending issues right here, so I'm gonna take the same brush again which we took earlier. I'm going to take the same lighter shade which we took earlier and I'm just going to blend it all in. All the harsh lines will be gone. I think now the eyeshadow is very blendable and nice. We're gonna take my powder brush and just dust off and all the fallout is also gone. Now for my lower lash line, I'm not gonna take a lighter shade because these are too light for my lower line. So I'm gonna take this, obviously I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna mix it a little with this pink right here and then I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line, like half my lower lash line. This just added a little bit of neonish shade and it looks great. And now we are gonna tightline our upper and our lower lash line. For that I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Ultimate Kohl Kajal and we're just gonna use it. Also guys, I'm in no mood to apply eyeliner today, so if you are skipping on eyeliner, do just tightline your eyes. It will give a very nice definition. There's so much difference. You can see that this eye is tightline and this is not, how much difference it makes. So if you're skipping your eyeliner, make sure to tightline your eye. So just to complete my eye look, I'm gonna use the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I just realized I've used a lot of Lakme products in this video, like a lot of products. This video is no way sponsored by Lakme or any other brand, or if you're just thinking. This mascara is like my OG favorite mascara. Can you see how much a difference this mascara makes? It's a very good mascara. I'm just going to apply this on my other eye also. Now we're almost done with the makeup and I'm gonna move to my eyebrows now. So for that you can use any brown eyeshadow you have, and the palette I used today didn't have any brown eyeshadow, so I'm gonna take my contour palette. I'm gonna dip my angle brush in this very nicely, very softly, and just fill in my brows. You can see how much a difference your eyebrows make. So guys, now it's time for the highlighter, because as I told you, I'm not going to be applying any blush today. If you want, you can totally go ahead. And for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Moonlit Highlighter. This highlighter is like a little expensive, so I expected a mirror with it, but nevertheless the highlighter pigmentation is great. Personally, this shade is too light for me, this is too dark for me, and I think that's a great combination because I get to mix them both. Agar koi ek shade hota to main wahi lagati rehti, but now I just mix them both, dust off the excess. This also has a lot of fallout and I'm gonna apply it all on my high points. This highlighter is very pigmented, as you can see, just on my lower eyebrow. Can you see that glow? It's all the highlighter. A little on bridge of my nose, a little on the tip of my nose. Also guys, this highlighter has a little bit of brown tones, so if you're using this, you can totally skip on the blush, because as you can see, I've applied no blush, but still my nose and my cheeks look very plump and red, and you know, you can see that, right? So if you're using this highlighter, totally skip on your blush, because if you're using both of them, I think it'll be too much. So it's totally up to you, your wish, your choice. So now we're just left for the lips, and for my lips today, I'm not going to use a lip liner. Instead, I'm gonna take a nice brown shade from Lakme Absolute in the shade Morning Coffee. This is how the shade looks like. The lipstick broke, I don't know why and how, but anyway, nonetheless it works. So I'm gonna take this brown shade on my lip brush, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lips. I am going to be overlining my lips a little. It's totally your choice, you wanna do it or not. You can totally go ahead and remove the lip gloss we applied earlier, but I am okay with the shine, so I'm just gonna let it be. As you can see, I just overlined my lips very little, and it still gives a very nice effect. And now I'm gonna just go ahead with the bullet lipstick and apply it as it is. So guys, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, go. Okay guys, with that we finished the makeup look right here. I hope you guys liked my outfit as well. I specifically wore green because this is a color of the Islam religion, and I totally loved creating this video for you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys learned anything from it. Also, this outfit is also designed and made by your girls right here, so yay! Okay guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I upload 3 videos a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and I hope you guys are entertained. And guys, Eid Mubarak. Bye!